This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, December 10th, 2015, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. We have one disturbance moving across the state. That's going to bring us maybe a few more clouds to the area. Otherwise, most of the precipitation will stay north of the state across the Dakotas, Minnesota, and into Wisconsin. Can't rule out a little bit of precipitation maybe as close to the state as maybe Rochester and Mankato, but looks to be fairly dry around here. Highs today from around the upper 40s far north to lower 60s in our southern counties, with partly to mostly sunny skies for most of the area. As we move into Friday, that system is off to our east. We're waiting for the next storm coming in from the west. There'll be a few more clouds around, partly to mostly sunny skies. Highs mid to upper 40s northwest to the mid to upper 50s south and southeast. And then late tomorrow night, Friday night into Saturday, we could see a little drizzle, maybe a little bit of light rain breaking out, but best chance of seeing any rain will likely hold off until Saturday into Saturday afternoon, with some showers and maybe a bit of wintry precipitation in northwestern counties where it could be cold enough for that. Rainfall amounts could be quite significant, and you'll see that when we get to the precipitation forecast, but some snowfall in our northwestern counties, it's still a bit iffy. There'll be maybe a minor accumulation, maybe up to a few inches. We'll have to wait and see. And then that system departs off late Sunday into the early part of Monday. Monday looks to be fairly quiet with some partial clearing, but unfortunately another storm is right on the heels of that one. This one on Tuesday, you can see no moisture coming from the Gulf of Mexico, so it's only bringing in the moisture that comes with it from the west. So this will likely be mainly in the form of wintry mix or snow. Better chances further north than further south. Could see some lingering flurries as we move toward Wednesday of next week. See another system moving across the southern plains, and that's one we may have to watch as that tracks just to the south of the state as we move into Thursday. You can see the little piece of energy across Oklahoma and Texas. That's going to bring some Gulf of Mexico moisture up, but, however, it's going to stay south of the state, so there could be a lot of precipitation across the deep south, the mid-south, through the Tennessee River Valley, back into the southern plains. Could be enough cold air that some of this could be in the form of some wintry precipitation, especially Oklahoma into Missouri. Only maybe an increase in cloudiness late next Thursday across our southern counties into maybe next Friday as well. Then we go into the extended period around the 21st, pretty much a flow straight out of the west, although it'll be a little bit colder as a lot more cold air will be entrenched into the country by that point. Not overly cold, but significantly cooler. We're not going to see 50s and lower 60s like we've been seeing the last day or two, but it'll be significantly colder. You can see a system off across the north and west bringing a lot of snow out there, rain down into central California, and here, this is Christmas night at 6 p.m. Big trough over the northeast and New England, back into the mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas. Bit of a ridge trying to pump up over the west. And you'll see quite a bit of cold air digging in. Lake effect snow possible. Buffalo, New York has not had a single flake of snow in December, and they haven't had any this season. Maybe they'll get some by Christmas. We'll wait and see. Around here looks to be fairly calm and quiet. Satellite image from last evening looks somewhat calm and quiet, although you see a storm system approaching. This is that disturbance going to come through later today into tonight with maybe a few clouds, most of the precipitation north of the state. Big storm off the west coast. That's going to be one we'll have to watch for this weekend into early next week, bringing lots of wintry weather, lots of wind, lots of rain, just a mess out there. A couple fog advisories in the mid-south down to the Gulf Coast, but not much else. Here's that precipitation we mentioned. This is through Monday evening at 6 o'clock. Maybe about a half an inch in our northwestern counties to maybe 1 to 2 inches plus in our eastern counties. Big rains across the northwest as well.